Hello, friends. Welcome to today's deep dive into the ancient wisdom of Stoicism, a philosophy that stood the test of time. Our journey begins in the bustling city of Cyprus. In 300 BC, where a prosperous trader named Xeno faced a sudden twist of fate that led to the birth of Stoicism. Join me as we unravel the profound teachings that emerged from Xeno's life-changing experience. Xeno, a wealthy trader on a voyage from Phoenicia to Piraeus. His life takes an unexpected turn when his boat sinks, drowning all his cargo. This single event, beyond anyone's control, transforms Xeno from wealth to poverty in an instant. How would you react if your life's work were flushed away by the sheer force of nature? Most of us would feel anger, sadness, or a sense of injustice, but not Xeno, the father of Stoicism. Xeno's revelation: one small change lasts in eternity. This principle forms the core of Stoicism. By reframing our mindset, even a minor shift can lead to profound and impactful changes. Stoicism, founded on the acceptance of events beyond our control, was born as Xeno delved into the works of philosophers like Socrates. He not only embraced this philosophy, but went on to create and teach it. Fast forward through the centuries, and Stoicism remains relevant. It's not just a philosophy, it's a way of life. Stoicism helps us process negative emotions from life's challenges, providing a unique perspective on the world. As the Stoics gathered in public spaces to discuss and teach philosophy, their principles became widely known, accessible to everyone from slaves to emperors. The Stoics preached unity and togetherness, even during times when it wasn't popular. Women were welcome to learn and embrace Stoicism, breaking societal norms. The concept of cosmopolitanism, a citizen of the world, exemplifies the Stoic belief in a united humanity. Why do so many people adopt Stoicism as a way of life? In a world of unexpected events, Stoicism helps us navigate challenges without being overwhelmed by emotions. Let's explore practical Stoicism. Stoics encourage us to expect the worst, like rain, and find contentment in the face of unavoidable challenges. One notable Stoic exercise is voluntary discomfort, pushing us to endure hardships and build resilience. In a world bombarded by external pressures, Stoicism teaches us to focus on internal improvements rather than external validations. Central to Stoic philosophy is the dichotomy of control. We must learn to separate what we can control from what we cannot. Striving towards goals is commendable, but breaking down when things go awry is deemed useless in the Stoic view. Success, according to Stoicism, should be judged based on the effort invested, not just on external outcomes. How does Stoicism relate to the challenges of today? Whether it's the pressure of social media metrics or the pursuit of external validations, Stoicism teaches us to place our happiness on intrinsic values. It encourages us to maintain a cool head in the face of life's uncertainties, reminding us that we have control over our reactions, if not the events themselves. As we conclude our journey through Stoicism, let's reflect on its four main virtues: wisdom, courage, temperance, and justice. These virtues guide us in separating the internal from the external, persisting in the face of challenges, practicing moderation, and promoting justice. Stoicism is not just a philosophy, it's a practical guide to living a fulfilling life. Before we wrap up, let's witness Stoicism in action through the story of Nelson Mandela. Despite facing oppression and imprisonment, Mandela applied Stoic values, to lead South Africa through reconciliation instead of revenge. His story demonstrates the power of Stoicism to guide us through even the darkest times. As we transition to modern-day applications, Stoicism influences medical practices. Therapies like rational and motive behavioral therapy and logotherapy draw from Stoic principles. These therapies help patients identify and challenge negative thoughts, promoting emotional well-being and a sense of purpose. In our pursuit of happiness, Stoicism acts as a compass, helping us navigate through life's storms. Remember, we can't control external events, but we have full control over our reactions. Stoicism teaches us to embrace challenges, find meaning, and lead a more fulfilling life. If our ship sinks, at least we can take peace in the fact that we lived a good life. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey into the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. If you found today's exploration valuable, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on philosophy and personal development. Until next time, stay stoic, stay resilient,